Welcome to Bold's DBManager 2. This video is part 3, setting up notifications. This video will take you through the steps of setting up email notifications in the DBManager 2. I recommend, if you haven't done so already, checking out part 2 of the DBManager 2 series, where we configure, stop, and start replication. You have the option of receiving email notifications when SQL functions fail to operate as they should. You can configure these notification parameters in DBManager 2. So let's get started. From the main Database Manager window, click the Notifications icon located under the Configure dropdown. The first thing to do is select a database from the Database dropdown menu. For more information on configuring a new database, refer back to Part 1 of the DBManager 2 series. Once you select a database, the available alerts for which you can choose to receive email notifications will display in the Alerts area. These alerts will be pre-selected for you. You can customize which notifications to receive by unchecking the box to the right of the specific alert. You can also customize the intervals at which you receive email notifications when alert conditions are present. To notify these intervals, select the number in the Hours Between Notifications field and change it to the interval you would like. If you would like to add specific instructions on how to handle notifications, you can do so here in the Notification Message field. Next, you need to input your email server information in the Data Mail Accounts field. Click inside the blank row under Name. Note, these fields will be specific to your email server. Enter a name and address for the email account in the Name and Email fields. In the Server field, type in Mail. The Secure Connection, Anonymous Authentication, and Windows Authentication fields will need to be checked depending on the type of mail server you have. I recommend, if you are unfamiliar with your email server specs, to consult your IT department. The next two fields to fill out for this section are the username and password. The last table to fill out is the SQL Server Agent Operators table. This is where you will list everyone who needs to receive notifications. Click the blank row under Name to begin. Enter the individual's name and email address in the appropriate fields and select the checkbox to enable them to receive the notifications. When finished, click Save. We recommend sending out a test email to verify accuracy. To do so, click the Send Test Email hyperlink. If you receive the appropriate email notification, then you have successfully set up your notifications in DBManager 2. This concludes Part 3 of the DBManager 2 series, Setting Up Notifications. This also ends the DBManager 2 series. You should now have the tools you need to configure your new database, configure, stop, and start replication, and now set up notifications. For more information, contact your account executive today at sales@boldgroup.com and look for upcoming videos on our YouTube page. For quick access, go to boldgroup.com and click on the YouTube icon at the bottom of the page.